Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. So MCC has published further notification regarding a special stray vacancy round. Okay, so in this video I will tell you each and everything about special stray vacancy round, how many seats are available and who are eligible. They have clearly mentioned it, and how much of security deposit you need to pay. These all things. Okay, when the seat matrix will be published and all. So if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel, and you can also avail our paid counseling guidance, okay, for any kind of choice filling support, which will be applicable not just for stray vacancy. If you don't get the seat, then for the NEET PG 2023 counseling also. We will also discuss on the matter when the application for NEET PG 2023 will be published and how this notification is going to impact the next proceeding for 2023. Will it be delayed or what? Okay, so let's get started. And see, so how many number of seats? So this notification says that after completion of stray vacancy round, okay, in DNB institutes including Central University, deemed university, DNB all India quota 50% MD/MS. Totally there are 2,244 MD/MS diploma and DNB seats are available. 2,244 and 62 MDS seats are vacant. Okay, they mentioned that the details of vacant seats are available on MCC website, but when I checked, there is no new seat matrix published, so they might publish it in due time. Okay, so I will update the same whenever it get published. Okay, so 2,244, that's final number of seat availability including clinical and non-clinical subjects. Okay, now comes the rule. Okay, so no fresh registration will take place. So the candidate who didn't do register, they won't be allowed in a specialist vacancy. Okay, all who have already registered, even they didn't participate in the counseling, they are allowed to participate in the counseling. Now those candidates who just filled the form but didn't pay the registration fee, they are also not allowed. Okay, but the choice filling that you have done in the previous rounds will be set as null and void, and you have to do the fresh choice filling. Okay, all the registered candidates will have to pay 50,000 of refundable security deposit, irrespective whether you have paid already or not. Even you have paid already, still you need to pay 50,000 of refundable security deposit. Okay, so both the amount will be refunded once you get the seat or you don't get the seat. Refundable security deposit of the candidate who do not join, their security deposit of 50,000 will be forfeited. Candidate who don't join the seat allotted to them in a special stray vacancy round, they will be debarred from the NEET PG 2023 examination. Okay, so you have to assure that you participate only depending on the seat matrix. Okay, if your desired seats are available, then only participate in the special stray vacancy round. Don't try hit and trial method. Let's try, and whatever I get accordingly I will try to join or not. You have to make sure that you do only those you fill only those choices. Okay, keeping all the terms and condition, bond, service bond, penalty, how good is the institution, whether you like that branch, locality, everything you check, and then only do the choice filling. Because once you do the choice filling, you get the seat and you don't join, then you are just not losing 50,000, you are losing the opportunity for next PG, NEET PG 2023. And how important is NEET PG 2023, you already have an idea, because after that you won't get any other NEET PG exam. It will be next exam, which will be tougher. Okay, so don't do any mistake. Candidate who are not holding any seat. Now coming to the point, who are the eligible candidate? Before that, they will ask you to furnish undertaking. They might give you option to upload it. The undertaking says that you are participating in a special stray vacancy round and you're confirming that you are not holding any seat in the previous rounds. Okay, so there is no mechanism they have to block you from applying. You have to fill this undertaking and then submit it, and based on your affirmation, they are allowing you to proceed. And if you are found later that you already had a seat, okay, and you had to plan kind of like resign the seat and then join the seat allotted in a stray vacancy round, then you will be penalized legally, okay. And here they are asking you to mention this point also, that in case you don't join the seat, then 50,000 security will be forfeited. On the top of it, NEET PG 2023 will not be applicable for you. You will be debarred from taking NEET PG 2023. Okay. Now list who are the eligible candidate. Candidate previously registered on MCC portal. You must have registered, but not holding any seat in the previous rounds of NEET PG counseling, okay, of 2022. If you had got any seat in a state round, okay, and you didn't join, okay, in that case you are eligible, okay. They are saying that you are not holding any seat through state round or MCC round. So now coming to the eligible candidates. First point says that a candidate already allotted and joined a seat in All India quota or state. If you are allotted and after allotment you joined, then you are not eligible. And if you are allotted any seat in All India quota, mop-up round and a stray vacancy round, either one, okay, but you didn't join, then also you are not eligible. Now coming to the point, if you got seat allotted in second round or first round All India, okay, or state counseling, any of the round, and you didn't join, then are you eligible? As per the rule, you should be eligible. Point number B, they mentioned only those candidates who were allotted seat in All India quota mop-up round and stray vacancy round and didn't join the seat, they are not eligible. But those who got seat allotted in mop-up round of state counseling and didn't join the seat, they should be eligible, okay. So this is the complete notification. I hope the rules are now more clear, okay. And let me summarize. You have to pay the security deposit again, 50,000. Second major point, in case you don't join the seat, you will be debarred from NEET PG 2023. So it will reduce the competition. Those candidates who are good on track, they will only do the selective choice filling, okay, and it will create the unnecessary choice filling and unnecessary participation. Those who are really interested to get a seat through a specialist vacancy round, they will only participate, okay. Otherwise their chance will be debarred from 23, okay, and nobody will do such things. And eligibility criteria is also clear. Registration, fresh registration is not allowed. Only security deposit of 50,000 will be asked to pay. Those who had done the registration for government colleges, they want to switch to deemed university, they can't also do that because the deposit is different, okay. So next step is seat matrix. So I'll update about it, okay. So that's it from my side in this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.